So I was doing a bit of work on the truck today, and I noticed that my radiator fan was loose. I was using these stupid little zip ties that you pull through the rad to hold the rad in place, or the radiator fan in place. Don't ever use them, man. They're garbage. You can actually see here, I got my rad out, and this is where it was mounted, and it was just sitting there and vibrating. Well, now I've got a pinhole there, a pinhole there, and a pinhole there. So I'm going to solder those up, and I'll just film it and show you how that process is done. It's pretty simple. You just need flux, solder, torch, clean the area really good, and put your flux on. Keep heating it up and just dab your solder into the hole, and the flux will do its job. So here we go. So here I'm just using the torch to clean off any areas that might still have any chemical on them from when I cleaned it. Then I'll add tinning flux to the areas that I want the solder to travel to. Once the flux is in place, I'll then apply heat and dab solder into the areas that need to be filled. And that's it. That's all you need to do to repair a copper radiator.